Here's a quick but detailed update on Facebook. If you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like as usual, and of course follow me for more videos. As you can see, Facebook has been bullish for a while, pushing upward, and it was in an impulse phase. However, starting from here, price seems to be losing momentum, and as you can see, it's currently stuck inside a consolidation in the shape of a pennant. So we all know that a pennant is a bullish continuation pattern, and simply a pennant is a symmetrical triangle on a lower time frame. So we can see a pennant on weekly time frame. If we zoom in, we can see that we have a huge symmetrical triangle. So simply if we zoom in, we can see that the pennant is getting bigger in the shape of a symmetrical triangle. Anyway, since price is stuck inside this pennant, we have two possible scenarios. Yes, we know that a pennant is supposed to be a bullish continuation, so we can expect the same size of the previous impulse move. So, but this one would be activated after a momentum candle close above the upper trend line, right? So, and we know that price can still break the lower trend line downward for a trend reversal. So we are open-minded and we know that we have two options from here. We do have either a trend continuation as mentioned before or a trend reversal. But for now, from the weekly time frame, as we always do, we do the market structure to know where we stand in the market. And since Facebook is currently stuck inside this pennant, let me draw it in brown as I like to do. Here we go. And so we'll be looking for buy setups around our lower trend line since it's from weekly, right? So it can move up for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks and then move down for like 2 or 3 weeks as well. So we'll be looking for buy setups around the lower one and sell setups around the upper one. And of course, if it is broken downward, we'll be looking also for sell setups on the retest. And our first support zone would be around the 2 to 5 level, right? So for now, we'll zoom into lower time frames and look for potential buy setups as price is currently sitting around the lower bands. If we zoom into H4 time frame, we can see that this one is currently sitting around a very strong demand area, right? As you can see, a demand area is when we have an explosive movement upward. So many traders wouldn't catch this one and have put many buy limit orders around this area. And we also have this one here, but this one already got filled after this movement. So this one got filled, but this one didn't get filled yet. So that's why we'll be looking for buy setups on lower time frames. And we all know that the zone is should cover the entire bearish candle in this case, as it is the last bearish candle before this explosive movement happens. So we do have one here, and of course, as mentioned, we do have one here, but let's keep it down there for a clearer view. So we'll be looking for buy setups as mentioned. As per our trading style, we don't buy immediately on demand or sell immediately on supply. We also have a supply zone here, which is around this area, and a supply zone around here, and a 300 round number. So as price approaches this entire area, which is supply, and round number, we'll be looking for sell setups. And since price is sitting around a demand area, we'll be looking for buy setups, right? But we know that price can still break it upward like it was never there and continue its bearish trend, as this one is clearly bearish now, making lower lows and lower highs. In this case, we'll be looking for buy setups as it approaches our support as mentioned from daily time frame. But for now, since price is sitting around supply, we do have a potential reversal from here. So let's zoom into lower time frames and look for extra confirmation and trigger like we always do. So as you can see, this one is overall bearish as mentioned, making lower lows and lower highs. So it wouldn't be a good idea to buy just yet, even if it's sitting around a demand area. That's why, as we always do, we wait for extra confirmation and trigger. So we'll be waiting for a new swing. Here we go. So we'll be waiting for a new swing high to form around our upper red trend line to consider it valid, and then and only then we will enter buy after a momentum candle close above it. Here we go, and as usual I like to do it to make it in gray for our trigger swing. Here we go. So, and as usual, our stop loss would be, because we're hunting a buy, would be just below the previous swing low, and we'll target a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which would be around our upper 300 and supply zones. In this case, as mentioned, we'll be looking for sell setups on lower time frames as price approaches this area. So for now, we'll be waiting for this new swing to form and then enter buy on spike downward. Meanwhile, until the buy is activated, Facebook will be overall bullish and as mentioned before, can still trade lower and break the demand zone downward to reach the lower support. Then we will be looking for new buy setups to form. As I always say, trading is reactive and not predictive, so don't try to catch the exact tops and bottoms. Good luck.